do some work.
Yes, I'm doing. Richie, have a look. You know,
Kapulalaan.
one. Yung apelido.
Kapuraw.
Kaburaw di kabulalaan niya ha. Bilyon ka na dito eh.
Baik, kesan berapa kilo aja? Tangkar gitu ini. Ah,
30
mulai
kilos.
sampai.
Tayo nyo nga baka masobra nyo. I am a driver, so what I need to do is only drive. Yes, I will send this to Sarah. So there is a probability that more the Australia is already contaminated with coronavirus.
Would you like me to hit you in the face?
No, of course not. Why are you asking?
I'm trying to work here.
Yeah, I'm only
I can't talk and walk.
yeah, I heard only the news or information you have given to us. That's why I keep on responding, telling the possible things happen there.
That doesn't look ready. That doesn't feel right. Is that ready?
Just learn from the master.
From us.
Yeah. Oh no, I can say. Reggie, let's start eating the corn.
Working.
Okay, I will eat the corn.
Oh, sorry.
No. Be careful. This is already. Oh, Richie is doing lagari. English ni lagari niya na. Oh, brother Richie.
Just stop talking to me.
Okay, you
I'm
speak.
busy.
Yeah, you speak, brother. You're on the television. You're serious in your life. How much do you earn in doing that? Maybe he's earning 5 pesos. That's big enough. 1 peso only. You're not looking. Oh, the Tobio, Ninong Abil Anyo are doing great things. Richie is now living as a real Filipino. In culture, traditions. What else? Well enough. Oh, that's it, brother. He's enjoying playing with the skates. The kids who are no longer around. Oh, yes.